Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Escape. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup camera, and a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ford on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.